Want to do a little video here. A friend of mine that's a gun maker sent me this Bolt Shroud, which is a well-known 98 three-position Bolt Shroud. This is a good Bolt Shroud, don't get me wrong. I happen to think that this one is better, and I wanted to point out a few reasons why. One of the issues that my friend was having, typically Mr. Lepore recommends that when you engage the safety, it should retract the cocking piece at a minimum of 10 thousandths. Well, my friend couldn't get the cocking piece to retract at all. The safety would engage, but it really wouldn't retract the cocking piece at all. Part of that was the design of their lever. And I'm going to use the opposite side here, but if you look at this edge, when you cut your cocking piece clearance, it becomes a sharp edge. Now we're really talking about this face here, okay? Mr. Lepore's design, and this may even go back to the original Wisner shrouds from over 30 years ago, I don't know. But this flat here mates with the cocking piece. So when they're sitting in the bolt shroud, that face sits up against that face. So when you go to retract it, that's where you get, when you go to rotate it, that's where you get your retraction from. Now, looking at this design, you really won't get that. And one of the other issues is that you have essentially this sharp edge all the way down here at the bottom, trying to engage where there isn't that angled face. So you're trying to rotate this into the diameter, and that doesn't give you any kind of mechanical leverage. It really prohibits you from rotating it easily. One of the other design features, now this lever was one of the first batches I did when I started making the 98 bolt shrouds for Mr. Lepore, so it still has his design. On the ones that I make now, I've added this radius that allows for an even easier rotation so that the angle gives you an easier movement to rotate, and that's what gives you your I'll say mechanical advantage. I don't think that's the correct term, but to then rotate the cocking piece rearward to engage on the diameter. So this radius just kind of helps ease all of that movement. So I say all of that to say that you know, our bolt shroud, while expensive, has a lot of small features designed into it to make it faster, easier, and better for a gun maker to fit it and install it. I would argue that the time it takes to make one of these operate comparable to one of ours, you end up with a more expensive product. Now I understand if you're a hobbyist or a retired machinist who does this for fun, your time is relatively free, and you don't mind putting the extra time and effort. If you're paying to have a high-end custom rifle built, it may behoove you to purchase a little bit nicer product that in the end will give you a better result and not cost as much to install.